Hi students, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I am going to explaining for 10th class children real numbers chapter. From the real number chapter, important concept today I am going to explaining. Yesterday's video real numbers introduction I told. So in this video continuation for the real numbers. Okay students, so please listen all of you. And one more request. Up to now, if anybody do not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel. Follow my channel regularly. Okay. So today's topic is Euclid's division lemma. So how to use this Euclid's division lemma in mathematics? Okay, that is we are going to discussing. See first of all the statement of Euclid's division lemma. That is given positive integers a and b both are positive integers. There exists inequal pair of integers such as q and r satisfying the rule a is equal to bq plus r. Here condition remainder must be in between 0 and b and also equal to 0. Okay. This rule already you know very well about this rule. In the lower classes you have studied about this rule. That is division algorithm rule. You know, dividend is equal to divisor into coefficient plus remainder. So, like that rule only this one also, right? So, how to use this rule? That is also we discuss by using some examples. First of all, I want to say for you here two sums. I am going to explaining what are the means. You know divisions very well. 7 divided the 35 and 2 divided the 35. Let us see. For example, along with me, in our class, suppose 7 members are there. Along with you, 35 chocolates are there. 35 chocolates if you want to distribute for 7 members, so there is no remaining. So 7 5s are 35. That means each person. So 7 members are there. Okay. Okay. So here totally 35 chocolates are there. Suppose 35 chocolates if you want to distribute for 7 members, how many chocolates will get each person? So you know how to get the answer by using division method. Let us do the division. 7 table, 5 times cancel. 7 5s are 35. Remainder 0. You know the parts of division. This is divisor, this is coefficient, this is remainder, this is dividend. Here we got the remainder is 0. Okay, you see remainder equal to 0 also be there in this rule. Okay, that's why I wrote this example. And see that example also. 2 table 35 how many times cancel? Nearly 2 17s are 34. So remainder here 1. Remainder is starting from 0 and up to b value. B value means here what is the b value? No. B value means here let us just see rule. A is here considered as a dividend. B can be considered as a divisor. Q can be considered as a coefficient, R can be considered as a remainder. Okay, A is dividend. Dividend means the middle one is dividend. So B is divisor. You see here the relation between divisor and remainder. So the remainder is always less than the divisor. That means R value always less than the B value. This is B value. This is A value. This is Q. And this is R. Okay, that only we have told. R value always less than B. Here also remainder is 1 less than B. B means divisor. Okay, students. So like this we have discussed about the rule. Okay, today how to use the Euclid's division lemma in the sums. By using this formula, how to find out the HCF of some numbers, that is I am going to explaining. Please listen all of you. Okay, by taking some examples, I will explain. Find out the HCF of some numbers, composite numbers, by using Euclid division lemma, right? See one example, all of you. HCF, highest common factor. How to find out by using this concept. So, what the question is, find out the HCF of 60, 100 by using Euclid division lemma. Find out the HCF of 60, 100. Here 60 is a composite number, 100 also be a composite number. So let us find out. If you want to find out the HCF of any two composite numbers, how to find out means, in these two numbers, which is a big number, that is we have to take as a dividend. Okay, first of all write the formula. We know that division algorithm rule, A is equal to BQ plus R. Condition must. The condition is 0 less than or equal to R less than B. Okay. Here B means, in this two, what is the small number? 60. That is B, that can be act as a B value into coefficient and remainder we want to find out. Dividend is equal to divisor. 60 can be as a divisor. Coefficient remainder we want to find out. So how to find out means, by using division method. By using division method, we can find out the coefficient and remainder. So by 60 divide the 100. 60 ones are 60. 100 minus 60, 40. So up to here one step completed. So in the first step, what we got it means, coefficient we got it 1, remainder we got it 40. Okay students. So directly we can write, first of all complete this part and then write here directly. First Q and R, after that strike out, that is no need like that. Next step, in the second step, divisor becomes dividend, remainder becomes divisor, coefficient and remainder we want to find out. These two we want to find out. How to find out between these two? By using division method. Here this process continue. Now 40 becomes a divisor, 60 becomes a dividend. 40 ones are 40. 60 minus 40 means 20 will get. So second step completed. So in the second step we got it coefficient 1, remainder we got it 20. Here we did not get the remainder 0, so that we can continue the process. So in this, now in the third step, this one, that means divisor becomes a dividend, okay, and remainder becomes divisor. Coefficient and remainder we want to find out. Okay students, like this way we can find out the HCF of any two composite numbers. Also like this model, some sums we have in the textbook page number 4, and also in the exercise number 1.1 we have some sums are there. All of you please practice that sums and write our answers in the comment box. If you have any doubts are there, ask in the comment box. Okay students, if you can like this video, please like this video. With a good video with good sums, with important sums, I will come in the next video, I will explain. Okay students, please follow my channel regularly. Okay, if up to now if anybody did not subscribe my channel, please subscribe my channel, give the support. Thank you.